Open talking with our parents. Talking with our parents may seem like something simple, but when we speak openly and kindly with them, we can make them truly happy. Our parents love us more than words can explain, but they also need love, care, and communication from us. When we talk honestly and with joy, it brings smiles to their faces, warms their hearts, and strengthens our relationship. Why open talking matters? Open talking means speaking freely, honestly, and kindly about our thoughts, feelings, and everyday life. It's not just about big problems or serious discussions. It's also about little things, like how your day went, what made you smile, or what you're excited about. Many parents spend their lives working hard to raise their children. Sometimes they are so busy helping us that they forget to share their own feelings too. Open communication gives both parents and children a chance to connect, understand each other, and grow closer as a family. Why open talking? Matters open talking means speaking freely, honestly, and kindly about our thoughts, feelings, and everyday life. It's not just about big problems or serious discussions. Ways to talk openly with our parents? 1. Share your day. Even a short story about your day can make your parents feel involved in your life. Today I did well on my test. My friend said something funny and I laughed so hard. I saw a cute cat on the way home. Simple stories like these can lead to warm conversations. 2. Ask about their day. Our parents may not always show it, but they have good and bad days too. Asking how they are makes them feel loved. How was your work today, Mom? Did anything special happen today, Dad? When we care about their day, it shows that we love them too. Not just as parents, but as people. 3. Say thank you. Often, saying thank you for things they do, cooking, helping with homework, buying something you needed, makes parents feel appreciated. Thanks for dinner. It was delicious. Thank you for helping me with my homework. These small words bring big happiness. 4. Say, I love you, or give a hug. Sometimes we forget to express love with words. Just saying, I love you, or giving a warm hug can make their whole day brighter. Make parents happy. Through listening, open talking is not just about speaking, it's also about listening. When your parents talk to you, don't just nod or say, okay. Look at them, respond kindly, and show you care. For example, if your mom gives you advice, say, I understand, or thanks for telling me. If your dad shares a memory, listen with interest and ask more about it. When you listen with love, your parents feel respected and happy. Talk about your feelings honestly. Sometimes we may feel sad, stressed, or confused. Instead of hiding those feelings, it's okay to talk about them with your parents. You can say, I'm feeling a little worried today. I was sad when I didn't do well on my test. I feel so happy when we spend time together. When you open up, your parents understand you better and feel trusted. They are happy to know that you feel safe sharing your feelings with them. Do fun things together and talk during them. Some of the best conversations happen when we do simple things together. Try these ideas. Help your parents cook, clean, or shop, and talk while doing it. Go for a walk and chat about anything. Life, dreams, jokes. Watch a movie or show together and talk about what you liked. Sharing time creates moments for open talking and brings joy to both sides. Apologize when needed. Sometimes we make mistakes. We forget something, speak rudely, or don't listen. Saying sorry when we're wrong is also part of open and honest talking. A gentle apology like, I'm sorry I was angry earlier. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. These words show maturity and care, and they heal hearts. Parents feel proud and happy when we take responsibility. Talk about dreams and hopes. Your parents want to know your dreams and plans for the future. When you share them, they feel trusted and involved. You can say, I want to become a teacher one day. I'd love to travel to another country. I want to start learning something new. In return, ask about their dreams too. You might discover surprising stories and dreams they once had. Celebrate special moments with words. Don't wait for big events like birthdays. Celebrate the little things. Mom, you look beautiful today. Dad, I'm proud of how hard you work. I'm so lucky to have you. Words full of love make ordinary days special. What happens when we talk openly with love? When we practice open talking, our parents feel closer to us. We build trust and friendship. We understand each other better. We create joyful memories that last forever. Talking openly doesn't mean we always agree, but it means we care enough to speak and listen with love. A little story to remember. Min was a boy who rarely talked with his parents. One day, after watching a movie about family, he decided to change. At dinner he said, "Thank you, Mom, for always cooking for us. Your food is the best." His mom smiled with tears in her eyes. His dad laughed and said, "Looks like someone grew up today." From that day, Min started sharing his thoughts every evening. His home became warmer, and his parents looked forward to their daily chats. What started as a simple "thank you" turned into a strong, happy bond. Talking openly and happily with our parents is one of the easiest and most beautiful ways to make them happy. It doesn't require money or gifts, just love, time, and kind words. Whether it's a simple "How was your day?" or a warm hug, these moments bring joy to their hearts. So today, take a few minutes to talk with your mom or dad. Tell them something funny, thank them for something, or just say, "I love you." You'll see their faces light up and feel your own heart grow full of love. Because when we talk openly with love, we don't just share words, we share happiness. How to keep the habit of open talking alive. Good habits. Take time to build, and open communication is no different. Here are some ways to make open talking a regular part of your life. 1. Set aside time. Even if life is busy, a few minutes every day can mean a lot. You can talk in the morning during breakfast, after dinner, or even during a walk. The important thing is to show your parents you want to connect. 2. Use technology if needed. If you live far from your parents, use phone calls, video chats, or even text messages. A simple "How are you today?" message can brighten their day and remind them that they're loved. 3. Speak with a calm and open heart. Even when you feel upset or frustrated, try to talk respectfully. Open talking doesn't mean saying everything without thinking. It means speaking with honesty and kindness. That's what makes parents feel happy and respected. We often forget that our parents have their own stories, dreams, and struggles. When we open up to listen, not just talk, we give them a gift. Try asking, "What was your favorite childhood memory? Did you have dreams like mine when you were younger? What was life like when you were my age?" Their answers may surprise you. You may learn how strong they were during hard times, or how they worked hard to give you a better life. These stories help you understand them more deeply and make them feel proud to share their journey with you. Making parents feel valued through words. Parents often sacrifice a lot without expecting anything in return. But when they feel seen, heard, and appreciated, it makes their efforts feel worthwhile. You can say, "I know you work so hard every day for us. Thank you. I'm really lucky to have a mom, dad like you. I admire how patient and strong you are." These words might seem small, but they carry deep meaning. They are like sunshine to a parent's heart. Helping parents talk about their feelings. 2. Sometimes parents keep their feelings inside because they don't want to worry us, or because they're used to hiding their emotions. But when we show that we're mature enough to listen, they may open up. You can say, "You always ask how I'm doing. How are you feeling these days? Is there something on your mind? I'm here for you too. You're not alone. We're a team." These gentle words show them that love goes both ways. Moments that make parents feel deeply happy. Some of the most beautiful and heart-touching moments come from everyday situations, such as helping without being asked, doing a chore or task without being told, shows maturity and care. Remembering important dates, wishing your parents on their birthdays, anniversaries, or celebrating small victories together. Standing by them in hard times. Being their emotional support when they are sick, tired, or stressed. Every act of support and kindness, no matter how small, makes parents feel loved and happy. Turning mistakes into opportunities to grow. We all make mistakes, and sometimes we may hurt our parents with our words or actions. But open talking gives us a chance to repair the damage and grow closer. Try saying, "I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry. I want to be better. Can we talk about it? I'm learning, and I hope we can understand each other more." Apologizing and talking it out shows your parents that you care enough to grow from mistakes. Creating family traditions. Through talking openly can become a family tradition too. For example, storytelling nights. Set a day each week to share funny, meaningful, or childhood stories. Gratitude moments. Every evening say one thing you're thankful for. One good thing game. Everyone shares one good thing that happened during the day. These small activities create a happy and healthy communication culture at home and give parents something joyful to look forward to. When words are hard, use other ways. Some people find it hard to talk openly, and that's okay. You can still express love and care in other ways. Write a letter or note. A simple note saying, "I appreciate you," can mean the world. Draw or make something. A card, craft, or small handmade gift shows thoughtfulness. Do something kind. Actions like helping clean, cooking for your parents, or offering them a cup of tea speak louder than words. Sometimes, love is best shown through quiet actions. What open talking teaches us. Open talking doesn't just make our parents happy, it helps us grow too. Here's what we gain. Confidence in speaking with honesty and kindness. Emotional strength to handle difficult topics peacefully. Deeper relationships with people around us. Better understanding of love, patience, and forgiveness. When we communicate openly at home, we learn how to build strong relationships outside too, in school, friendships, and future families. Final message from the Heart Open. Talking with our parents is one of the most meaningful things we can do in life. It doesn't cost money, it doesn't require perfect grammar or deep topics. All it needs is your heart, your willingness to share, and your readiness to listen. Start today. Knock on your mom or dad's door. Sit beside them. Ask them how they are. Share something about your day. Say thank you. Give them a smile, a hug, or even just your presence. These moments matter. These words heal. These small talks bring big happiness. Your parents may not say it out loud, but every loving word you speak, every kind gesture you give, becomes a memory they treasure forever. So go ahead, speak, laugh, listen, hug, say, "I love you," and make your parents proud, not just with success in life, but with the love you share through open talking. Because in the end, the most beautiful sound to a parent's ears is their child's voice saying, "I'm here and I love you." Even if we sometimes feel shy or unsure, just starting a small conversation can make a big difference. Our parents don't expect perfect words. They only want our presence, our attention, and our love. A short chat, a shared laugh, or even sitting quietly together can strengthen the bond between us. When we create time for open talking, we build a bridge of trust and care. Every day is a chance to say something kind and make them smile. So don't wait for a special occasion. Talk to your parents today. Your words may be small, but your love is powerful.